Okay guys, in today's video, if your car overheats and you're doing highway driving, and you're most likely gonna have a buildup on the radiator. You see that? But if you have a bigger buildup all there, I'm gonna remove this. But if you have a bigger buildup on that, then your car's gonna overheat because it's not gonna get ventilation like it's supposed to. This is pretty much, this little area of the radiator is blocked completely. It's not cooling in this little area, but it's very minor right now. But if you're driving and you have thing is whole clogged up, even though if the condenser is clogged up, because the air does have to pass through it. But anyways, take a look at your radiator. If you're having overheating issues, check your antifreeze, check that little guy, open things up. There's usually covers on most of the cars you can see right from up on the top, and you could blow air in here, or you could just simply take it off just like that and then blow air on it. And but I am changing a start on this. I just wanted to show you guys a little bit why your car would overheat. It can overheat. I have seen a lot of cars come to me. I had Affinity that the guy was doing all highway, a lot of bugs, little bugs. You see, even this car has little bugs right there. All right, so can't tell me things if you're doing on highway driving and you're not gonna catch those little flies and bugs. That's gonna clog up your whole radiator. Condenser will be completely blocked up. So check your antifreeze, guys. Very important. No antifreeze, no heat, and no cooling. Okay, main concern, check your antifreeze. Number one thing you want to check if your car is overheating. And then check if your fans work. If you haven't changed the thermostat like this one right there, there's 2 bolts on this guy, and the thermostat comes right out. Usually for like Hondas, Toyotas, if you want to buy the dealer part, it's probably like a $40 piece. Flush out your antifreeze, change your thermostat. Few things you can check yourself and get away with the overheating issues. And let your car run. Keep eye on the fan. Check your fan relay, fan fuses. It could be little things that can make your car overheat. Things like that. But anyways, I hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up, share, and like.